what's up? Eugene here. For years I've been searching for that perfect electro-industrial EBM agrotech vocal style. Think Cycler 9, Hosico, Amdusia, Granule. And now I get this. Yeah, so now I'll be able to finish my cover of Amdusia's Absolution, which is like 15 years ago, but I didn't finish because I wasn't happy with how the vocals sound. Or I guess so. But now, I'm actually pretty confident that this might work. So we'll find out right now. And have to like and subscribe if you want me to finish this in one take. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Feel the anger when you see this eyes.